So it says, this is a quote. I guess this is from a team leader and senior author of the study, Eric Burkhart. So he's the one who, I guess, is the professor of College of Agricultural Sciences at Penn State. So that's, he's the man, I guess, leading the charge.
Yeah.
He says, this study is the first to scientifically document use of ghost pipe in North America, along with the growing influence of social media and the internet on how and why people are turning to ghost pipe as a medicinal plant. So he's saying this is the first hard proof that people are actually using this. Okay, we've had hard proof for a long time, but this is
Yeah.
hard proof from the higher ups, from the ghost pipe elites. So Eric Burkhart, you are you revealed yourself as a ghost pipe elite. So you are now somebody on our radar. So good or bad, watch out. They'll get you. They don't like people talking about ghost pipe, Eric. I'm just letting you know. But we're proud of you. As a wild harvested species, little has been documented about its use throughout the U.S. and growing conservation needs. The study helps to inform future research and education efforts so that the consumer safety and wild conservation efforts can be both appropriately targeted and aligned. So that is great. So they targeted and aligned, so they want people to continue to use it sounds like. They're just trying to make sure the conservation area is up the code with them.
They touch on that too.
Yeah.
They touch on the conservation part.
So, real quick, Pennsylvania is the leading in conservation and state parks and per capita in the entire country. So, if there's one, area where this plant needs to be protected and studied, it is in Pennsylvania. They know what they're doing.